Hi, my name is Thomas Saracen. A lot of people around here call me Tom. I'm the Production Supervisor. I've been with DCL for a total of 10 years. Here at DCL, we build standard bulk loading equipment. We take bulk material that's stored in a silo, we load it into the truck. We can load trucks, trains, ships, barges, just about any type of equipment that you can think of that needs to be loaded, we load it. DCL is kind of recognized by the community as a great employer. We've been around for 40 plus years. A lot of our employees are from the surrounding area, Petoskey, Traverse City, Mansalona. So some people drive far, some people only have a few minutes like me to get to work. DCL has been very patient with me. They've allowed and gave me opportunities to progress with my knowledge. They've sent me to college. They've paid for technicians to come up here and train me on equipment. And there's other management people here that take the time to really teach you and try to show you everything they can to make you a better employee. I'm a great example for upward mobility here at DCL. I started in the shipping department and I've progressed to Production Supervisor. There's several other employees that have had very similar beginnings. We try to promote within. Anyone that's willing to take initiative definitely succeeds here. To see DCL evolve into what it is today, we're constantly growing. It seems like every year we're hitting record numbers. The customers love us because we can offer a custom product to them that fits all of their needs. At the end of the year, when we make over a certain amount of money, which has been just about every year I've worked here, we get a certain percentage of the overflow profits. Since DCL is a US-based manufacturing company, we're in just about every industry, whether it's fracking sand, cement, which is booming right now, grain. It offers a really strong job security. It allows me to be able to stay in my hometown that I love so much. I just recently got married and it's a true blessing to be able to have that job security and stay here. The other day I was reflecting with my wife after just being promoted to the Production Supervisor, and I think of 17-year-old me just, in high school. And it's crazy to look back and see the progress that I have made through DCL. And it's all because of DCL that I am where I am today.